Hey guys, so we're switching it up a little bit this week and I'm going to show you how to make chai lattes. If you know me, you know that I am literally obsessed with chai lattes. I have them like probably 3 or 4 times a week. I have them hot, I have them iced, I put vanilla in them, and literally it's one of my favorite drinks ever. And I also like making them at home because going to coffee shops or Starbucks and getting them every week can add up. So I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite ways to make chai lattes at home. So let's go ahead and get started. And also I just noticed that my dog is in the background, so I guess she's going to be in this video. Do you want to say hi? Hi, Yumi. So put me down. Also, before we get started, I just want to let you guys know this video is in no way sponsored by any company. It's literally just because I love chai lattes so much. So I just wanted to share the love of chai lattes with you guys and show you guys how you can make them for yourself. Another thing I want to mention is that these chai lattes that I make are basically replicas of a Starbucks chai latte. So if you've ever gone there and ordered a chai latte, doing it this way at home, it literally tastes exactly the same, and it's amazing, and it's much cheaper. So it's one of my favorite ways to make chai lattes and to enjoy them at home. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need is Tazo chai latte mix. So it literally comes in a box that you can get. I've gotten like at Kroger, Giant Eagle, Meijer, pretty much any grocery store that you have around you will probably have this in their tea section. So this is what you're going to need to get first. Secondly, you're also going to need some milk. Pretty simple, just pretty much those 2 ingredients. And you can use pretty much whatever milk you want to use. What I have on hand right now is this right here. It's just whole milk. The only other things that you're going to need is obviously a mug. So I chose one of my favorite chai mugs. It says Sweet Chai of Mine. Literally one of my favorites because I'm usually drinking chai, so it really makes sense. And then another thing you're going to want to have is something to warm up the tea if you're going to drink it warm. So I have this frother that I got that's literally so awesome because it froths my chai latte and also warms it up at the same time. So I literally just mix the Tazo mix and milk and put it in here, warms it up, adds a froth, and it's amazing. But if you don't have anything like this to warm up your chai with, you definitely don't need it. You can just put it in a pot and warm it up over the stove, and that honestly works just as well. So I kind of already hinted to this already, but basically what you're going to want to do is just mix the Tazo chai mix in with the milk, and I do about a 50-50 ratio. So literally all you do is just do half milk, do half chai, I pour it into my frother, and then I set it on, let it heat up, and let it froth. If you decide you want to go the iced route, maybe you don't have something to warm up with, or maybe it's a hot day and you just want to enjoy iced, literally all you do is just pour half of the chai, Tazo chai mix into a cup, pour half milk, and then put some ice cubes in there. Okay, so now you just get to enjoy your chai latte. And these literally taste just like Starbucks chai lattes if you ever go to the store and order them. This is going to taste exactly like it and much cheaper as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if there's any other kinds of videos you want me to make. I'm really excited to be restructuring how I'm doing videos and share a little bit more into my personal life and do some more fun videos as well. So it's going to be awesome, and I can't wait to share more next time. Bye, guys.
Stop. What?
You're in my video.
That's cool. You're doing a great job, boo. Hashtag proud of you.
Hashtag get out of my way.
Oh, put that in the bin.